Step 1. Understanding the question. The chart below shows the value of Internet downloads in the UK from 1999 to 2008. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features, and make comparisons where relevant. What form is the data in, on the vertical axis? What form is the data in, on the horizontal axis? How many years are represented? How many different products are represented? What are they? Step 2. Writing the first sentence of the introduction. The chart below shows the value of Internet downloads in the UK from 1999 to 2008. The bar chart shows how much downloads of music, films, and games were worth in billions of pounds in the UK over a period of 10 years. Step 3. Identifying the main features. Ask. What stands out? What is highest, longest, biggest, smallest? What changes the most? What doesn't change? Step 4. Writing the second sentence of the introduction, the overview. The bar chart shows how much downloads of music, films and games were worth in the UK over a period of 10 years. When compared to other downloads, it is clear that the main development over this period is the huge increase in the value of downloaded games. Step 5. Selecting the data. Step 6. Deciding the order to describe the data. Generally, from most to least significant. Chronologically along a line graph. Biggest to smallest on a pie chart. Either clumps of information, or sectors in a bar chart. Step 7. Writing the body paragraphs. Check instructions. Think about appropriate language, comparison or contrast, increase or decrease, etc. Think about linking devices, whereas, at the same time, etc. Think about length, about 100 to 200 words. Vocabulary. In 1999 the value of downloaded games was just over £1 billion, almost half the value of music at just under £2 billion. The value of the games increased steadily until 2002 when it reached nearly £2 billion. Over the same period the downloading of music had grown slightly and was then worth just over £2 billion. Between 2002 and 2005 the value of downloaded games remained fairly stable whereas music decreased slightly. Then between 2006 and 2008 there was a huge rise in the worth of the games, reaching a peak in 2008 of about £4 billion. The reverse was true of the worth of music downloads. By 2008 they were valued at less than £1.5 billion. Over the period 1999 to 2008 DVD sales rose from just under £1 billion to a peak of £2.5 billion in 2004 only to fall to about £2.25 billion in 2008. The value of DVD rentals remained under £0.5 billion over the whole period. Step 8. Writing the conclusion. Rephrase the introduction. Restate main trends. Do not add new information. Step 9. Checking. For correct data. For grammar mistakes. For mistakes in vocabulary. That paragraphing is clear. To summarize. 1. Analyze the question. 2. Rephrase the information about the diagram into the first sentence of the introduction. 3. Identify the main features, trends, changes. 4. Describe these in the second sentence of the introduction, the overview. 5. Select the data to be described. 6. Decide what order to write the data in. 7. Use that to write the body paragraphs. 8. If time, write a brief conclusion. 9. If time, check for typical mistakes.